Hello everybody, today I'll show you how to install Storyline on a Mac, with Windows obviously, but without using Parallels. Let's start. First we'll go to Google, and on Google we'll search VMware Fusion Download. First result. And here on this page we'll look for the blue link, which VMware Fusion Pro download. So if we want to download the file, we need to sign up for this site. So register, put your email address. I'll put mine, and fill in the CAPTCHA. Great. Now check your email. You should get a verification code. Enter the verification code here on this page. Continue. Now we need to fill our details for registration, so I'll put mine. And choose your password. You need to enter it afterwards. So I'll put mine. And I accept. And create account, obviously. Now in the username we'll put our email address. Next. And next. Let's put our password. Okay. Now let's choose the latest version. Here it shows 13, but maybe on the time when you watch the video it will show some other version. Look for the latest one. But we can't download it yet. We need to fill more details. So when we get to this page, when we try to click on the cloud on the right to download the file, we can. We need to go upwards. I agree to terms and conditions. And then we'll try to click on it, and we need to fill other details. So yes. So fill the rest of the required details. I'll do mine. Okay, submit. Now we'll be back to the download page. Let's click on the cloud icon to download the file. I'll save it to downloads. Let's wait that the download finishes. Now skip forward. And now let's open the file. I'm on downloads on my Mac, so let's open it and click on the icon in the center. Now you need to allow in your settings apps outside of the App Store. So make sure that it's that option is open, available, and install. Now, if the software VMware Fusion doesn't open automatically, it's in your apps. Click here on the second option in the middle. Click continue. And leave it as it is. Make sure you have a stable connection and the computer is connected to electricity because it's a long process. Click download. Now, here, I don't know, I'll use the secure boot. Let's put some password for encryption, sorry. Boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. And continue. Create a new virtual disk, leave it as it is, continue, and finish. Save. Okay, now press the play button, and now you need to click some kind of key, because if not, the installation will fail. So when you see that message, click on a key. Now the Windows installation will start. Choose language and currency, keyboard input, next. I agree. Next. Now put your product key that you bought. If not, you can put it later after you install Windows. Choose the version that you bought your product key to. Scroll down and accept. Yeah, next. We don't have any other options, so next. Okay, install. And now we wait. I'll fast forward. Now, when we get to this screen, choose your country. Here we go. Yes. And choose keyboard layout again. I don't know why they do that, but keyboard layout, United States International. No, for now, no. Skip. Checking for updates. Let's wait. And give a name to your Windows system. I'll use my nickname. Okay. I'll choose personal use. You can choose work, but I'll choose personal use. Okay, checking for updates. Let's wait. Okay, I need to fast forward this. Okay, let's sign in to our Microsoft account. Okay. Next. Create a PIN, which is a password for getting inside your Windows. It can be also phone numbers, but you can put more. Okay. Well, it's a system inside a system, so you can choose whatever, but I'm disabling it. Everything here, I'll disable it. No. And no. And no. Accept. Okay, I don't want to back up from another Windows system that I have, so I'll choose a clean install. I'll click more options and set up as a new PC on the bottom. Yeah, set up as a new PC. And we wait. Skip. 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 And skip. Not now. You can choose otherwise. Decline. But decline. Next. And voila, a new Windows. But we haven't finished yet. On the VMware menu on the top, click on Virtual Machine and choose the Install VMware Tools. Where is it? Here we go. Okay, install. It should open it automatically. Let me see. Here's the DVD drive. Here we go. DVD drive. Let's click on it and run setup. Yes. Okay. Next. Typical. Next. Install. The VMware tools will allow you to copy and paste files from the Mac inside Windows. And so finish. If it changes resolution during the installation, don't worry about it. Here we'll click yes on restart. If you want to change the size of the window inside your Mac, it will also adjust the resolution automatically. So it's important to use the VMware tools. Okay, back here, pin. So okay, welcome. Now for this part, we need to use our browser. You can use it inside the Windows system or outside on the Mac. I prefer the Mac because it's faster. Let's go to Articulate and log in into our account. And let's sign in. Okay, let's go to the bottom, and here we have download desktop apps. Start download. It's a Windows download, but I'm on my Mac. As I said, I can copy the file and drag and drop, and here's the setup on the Windows system. Okay, so let's click it. Depends on your system. It can run a little bit slow. There are many guides how to allocate your resources to make it work better. It depends on the system you have, the Mac. Install now. Yes. Installing. Finish. Okay, now let's I want to delete the setup file. I don't want to be confused between them. Delete. Okay, articulate. Let's go. And now we need to sign in inside our Windows system. So let's sign in. Okay. Now we download Storyline. Where is it? Here we go. Install. Install. Here we go. Now let's open it. And we have Storyline. As I said, for me, after a Storyline opens, it works okay, so I don't care if the loading time is a little bit long, but you can play with the sources allocation in the VMware menu. That's another guide, and let's wait for a sec. Okay, here we are. Where are... I don't see my recent files anyway. Strange. New project. And obviously you can put it on full screen and wait. Here we go. Storyline. Yay, we did it. So we can put it on full screen and you don't even see that you're inside Windows.